Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to change your country in the Cider application using mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started with the video. Launch the Cider app open first to get started. Once you end up in the home page, make sure you are also logged into your account and then tap on the Me button at the bottom right. Once you're inside the Me menu, tap on the Gear button at the top right corner. This will open up settings where you need to tap on the country/region drop-down. From the list of available country or region, choose your desired country to change to it. Click on Continue to Other Site button at the bottom and follow through the on-screen instructions. And just like that, you have successfully changed your country or your region on Cider. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.